The mdMapper1000DG is equipped with the direct georeferencing. That is why it is even better than the mdMapper1000.
The mdMapper1000DG is built on the platform MD41000 with a high-quality sensor and having a IMU integrated to the system. So that brings you an accuracy of 1 to 3 pixels in X and Y and 3 to 5 pixels in Z, which gives you the most accurate system in the market right now on the best airframe.
The mdMapper1000DG improves our work, especially in case of the time saving, because you don't need a lot of reference point or mostly no reference point, and reference point is the biggest time consumer in the standard work with a UAV.
Microdrones mdMapper1000DG has been tested in Siegen, Germany, over a strip of 600 meters. It actually took a few minutes of flight time to cover the area. Ended up with 45 images per flight line, a total of 90 images. A few minutes later, we landed our drone, processed the data, and we ended up with an amazing mapping product, including the surface model, as well as an orthophoto mosaic at an accuracy of 2 centimeters in horizontal and 3 centimeters in elevation. We actually used no ground control points whatsoever, and that included calibrating the camera in a self-calibration mode for the Sony RXR12 camera, and the results are impressive. Those kind of results are not attainable using any other technology in the world. The mdMapper1000DG is the only system in the world that could actually be utilized for a corridor mapping application of this nature.